this video, I will compare PrestaShop and Shopify to help you decide which e-commerce platform is the best for your online store. Whether you are launching a small business, a dropshipping store, or a large-scale e-commerce brand, I'll break down the features, pricing, and ease of use, and the flexibility of both platforms. And let's kick off with the ease of use and setup. To start off with PrestaShop. PrestaShop is self-hosted and it requires technical knowledge for setup, hosting, and maintenance of your domain and your shop. And this is best for those who want full customization and control. Then Shopify. Shopify is fully hosted, beginner-friendly, and easy to set up with drag-and-drop tools. This is great for anyone looking for a hassle-free experience and an experience that is really user-friendly. So that is a huge difference between PrestaShop and Shopify. Let's move on to the customization and features. PrestaShop is an open source with limitless customization, but it requires coding skills or a developer, and this is ideal for advanced users. And of course, you don't need to have all these skills yourself. You can always hire a freelancer that can help you with these coding skills. So let's move on to Shopify. Shopify has a large app ecosystem and themes, easy integrations, and excellent scalability for growing businesses. But what about pricing and costs? Well, PrestaShop is free to install, but you will pay for hosting, themes, modules, and development, and costs depend on customizations. So in here we have the plans that PrestaShop is offering, and we have the Classic, Hosted, and Enterprise plan. And as you can see, the Classic plan is a free download, and the Hosted one with a hosting support and e-commerce services included to launch your online store. This will cost you 24 euros exclusive VAT a month, and you will have a free 14-day trial on this. And 24 euros is equivalent to $25. And then you have the Enterprise. This will be a custom quote. So to start off with your online store, you need to have this hosted plan. So you will be paying around $25 a month. And let's move on to Shopify. So at Shopify, you can start for free and then enjoy €1 a month for 3 months. And you can actually click on the link in the description to get a free trial of 90 days, an extended free trial. And after that, you can go with the €1 or $1 a month for 3 months. And that is a really good deal that I can offer you for Shopify by clicking on the link. And it's absolutely free to click on the link and to use the free trial. So Shopify starts with the basic plan at 24 euros a month, same as PrestaShop. And you also have this plan for small teams that will be around $70 a month. But to start, it is the same pricing. And I would say that Shopify will give you some more benefits. And I will also give a final verdict on the comparison between the two of them. So the pricing is somehow the same, but at Shopify, it includes hosting, security, and customer support. And there are additional costs for apps and themes. And let's give a final verdict on this comparison between Shopify and PrestaShop. And I would say for tech-savvy users and full control, PrestaShop is the best option for you. And the best for beginners and growing businesses, Shopify is then the best tool for you. So summarized, if you prefer total customization and don't mind technical work, PrestaShop is a powerful option. But if you want a user-friendly, scalable solution with built-in features, Shopify is the better choice. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Anyway, thank you for watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel.